So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to blur an image here on Visme. So once you have Visme opened up, what you have to do obviously is add an image to your design. So in order to do that, you have to go to the left-hand side of your screen, press on the Photos button right here. Then you can either select a photo that's through the stock photos here on Visme. You can upload a photo or you can search up a word or a phrase. So if you wanted to search up perhaps, let's just search up sports car. Just for fun, why not? Then once that is done, it's going to look up a whole bunch of different photos of sports cars. So if you want to go ahead and use this one right here, perhaps, we'll go ahead and just, make it a little bit larger and crop it so that's easier for you guys to see. Just like that. Now, if you want to add blur to this photo or to make a photo blurry, it's pretty straightforward as well. Simply just select the photo, go to the top left here, and press on this edit button right here. If it's not selected, it's going to look like this. If it is selected, it's going to be blue, and this menu on the left-hand side of your screen will be present. Now, once that is done, go to the bottom and press on the Customize button. Then scroll down as well, and then this last option right here is Blur. So if you want to make it more blurry, simply just slide this bar to the right, and you can make the photo more blurry. You can also just bring it back to normal by resetting it back to 0, and that's a pretty straightforward process. But that's how you guys can add blur to an image here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.